2020 Toyota Camry with less than 70,000 miles on the odometer. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, rear spoiler, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.